Dozens of new releases are produced every year, and brands strive to create the need to buy a new version of a smartphone ahead of time. But how long should we really renew our device? A device should last at least 3 years. Manufacturers stop supporting them after this time. These are some reasons why you should really change your cell phone. When the hardware or software fails in the mobile device, since these in most of the affected cases are too expensive to repair. Other reasons are due to the end of the device update cycle. One of the most frequent factors that occurs is when the device manufacturer does not launch a new system update. It is a clear sign that you must change your smartphone. An outdated mobile phone is more vulnerable to attacks, as it will lose compatibility with security updates and with the application it uses most. On the other hand, the batteries of any electronic device have a limited life. The more it is used, its useful life will be consumed over time. This is a natural process. Battery wear will not only cause you to keep your smartphone connected by receiving power, it is also a clear signal that you should change the battery or buy new equipment. Running out of storage is not a determining factor to change cell phones, since by simply expanding the external memory and/or cleaning the internal memory of unnecessary files, you can continue saving new multimedia content.